TMC MP sparks another controversy there, threatens to break CPIM leader Gautam Dev's bones, openly threatens other left leaders as well.
তুমি কি করতে তুমি একটা পকেট মার তুমি একটা সার্কাসের ভার জিভটা বের করে করে যা খুশি তাই বলছো আমি দায়িত্ব নিয়ে বলছি গৌতম বাবু দ্বিতীয়বার যদি আপনাকে এই রাজ্যের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় আমাদের নেতৃত্বে চোর শব্দ আর জেলে পাঠানোর শব্দটা আর একবার ব্যবহার করেন জেনে রাখবেন বলছি আপনার ওই জিভটাকে ছিঁড়ে নেব আর ঠ্যাংটাকে কেটে নেব কোমর ভেঙে দেব চলা যাবে না আর মনে করছেন বাঁচাবে আপনাকে বিমান বোস বেলা দিতে গেল বাজারে মোহাম্মদ সেলিম পার্লামেন্টে বড় বড় বক্তৃতা।
Well, despite being caught on tape for using that language against CPIM leaders, TMC MP Idris Ali remains completely defiant. When confronted by Times Now, the MP said that he will not apologize for his remarks.
No, the question of regret does not arise because CPM leader Mr. Gautam Dev, what is his audacity? He said to this Honorable Chief Minister Srimati Mamata is a thief. And he will send Mamata Banerjee to jail. What is your audacity? Uncivilized. Mr. Gautam Dev, again I say, if in future, if he said against this type of word against Srimati Mamata Banerjee, our beloved leader and Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, then he will face the consequences.
Well, let's go across to Tamal. He's joining us on the phone line now for more on this story. Tamal, now completely arrogant and hate-monger TMC MP, totally defiant for the kind of language he used against CPI leaders.
Well, that's right. Trinamool Congress Lok Sabha MP Idris Ali is unrepentant, unapologetic for the kind of language he has used, that in a public forum while speaking to a gathering of more than 1,000 people in North 24 Parganas yesterday. He has just not abused leaders from Congress and BJP, called them names, whereas also gone to the extent of threatening CPM leader Gautam Dev of dire consequences to an extent that he would go ahead and chop his legs, break his bones and also cut his tongue if he dared to say anything against Mamata Banerjee in the Sharda Madal. We have to recall that Gautam Dev, the CPM leader, had really accused Mamata Banerjee in the Sharda chit fund scam, also demanded her immediate arrest. And since then, Gautam Dev had earned the wrath and ire of Trinamool Congress leaders. It is the same Trinamool Congress Lok Sabha MP Idris Ali last year had also threatened the CBI officials of daring to arrest Mamata Banerjee if they said so. And he also said that he would burn CBI officials if they anyway came closer to Mamata Banerjee. So yes, hate speech time and again, but the party has remained defiant. No action being taken against him. We have to really wait and watch how CPM responds to the statement made by Gautam Dev, made by Idris Ali against Gautam Dev. Will they really take to streets or will they take the route of legal recourse? Back to you.